As a business owner of a commercial cleaning company, one of your most critical responsibilities is ensuring that your cleaning equipment is well maintained. Properly cared for tools not only extend the lifespan of your equipment, but also contribute to the overall quality of service you provide to your clients. In this video, we'll explore best practices for maintaining key pieces of cleaning equipment such as vacuum cleaners, brutes, caddies, toilet brushes, lamb's wool dusters, brooms, dust mop heads, cleaning rags, and other supplies. Vacuum cleaners are an essential piece of equipment and proper maintenance is vital for their efficiency. First, regularly check the vacuum filter. A clogged filter can reduce suction and cause the machine to overheat. Depending on how much you use it, you may need to replace or clean the filter every few months. Be sure to check and empty the vacuum bag frequently to prevent it from becoming too full. Additionally, inspect the vacuum's belt to ensure it's in good condition. A worn-out belt can reduce cleaning efficiency or even cause the vacuum to stop working entirely. Regularly clear any debris or hair from the vacuum's rollers to prevent jams. Keep a record of your maintenance so you are sure to be doing it regularly. Brutes and caddies are used to transport cleaning supplies, chemicals, and waste. These items need to be cleaned regularly to prevent odor buildup and maintain hygiene. For brutes, keep the bottom free of debris and liquids and wipe the outside when it gets soiled, at least monthly. For caddies, wipe down the surface with a disinfectant cloth each month and ensure that all compartments are clean and organized to make accessing supplies quick and efficient. Also, check the wheels on the brutes to ensure they're not clogged or damaged. Smooth operation of these wheels is essential, especially when moving large amounts of trash or supplies over long distances. Toilet brushes. Clean the brush periodically with the disinfectant. You should inspect the bristles regularly for any signs of wear and replace them when necessary. Using a toilet brush holder can help keep the brush clean and dry between uses. Lamb's wool dusters and black ostrich feather dusters are fantastic tools for dusting, as they attract dust and dirt without scattering it. To maintain the effectiveness of a lamb's wool duster, shake it out regularly to remove accumulated dust. Once it becomes heavily soiled, replace it. Regular maintenance of your dusters ensures that they will continue to effectively clean delicate surfaces without causing scratches. Brooms and dust mop heads are essential for sweeping floors, and keeping them in good shape is relatively simple. For brooms, regularly check the bristles for damage or wear. If the bristles become frayed or stick out, it's time to cut them off, or maybe time to replace the broom. After each use, tap the broom to remove excess dust and dirt, and wash the bristles with soap and water when necessary. Dust mop heads should be shaken out regularly and washed after heavy use to remove dirt buildup. Check for any tangles or damage to the fibers and replace the head if it's no longer effective at picking up dust and debris. Some customers have a service that replaces mop heads regularly. Make sure you know where to put used mop heads for them to pick up and change them out often. Microfiber cleaning rag maintenance is simple but important. After each use, wash rags to ensure they're free from bacteria. Dry your cleaning rags thoroughly to prevent mold or mildew growth. Keep an eye out for wear and tear and replace any rags that are no longer effective at absorbing liquids or cleaning surfaces. You can also soak them in bleach before washing them to get out stubborn stains. In addition to the primary equipment, commercial cleaners use a variety of other tools and supplies that require regular maintenance. Ensure that spray bottles are functioning properly, replacing them if they stop spraying or if the nozzle becomes clogged. Always keep a stash of extra triggers and pumps for your bottles, as it's a nuisance when they break and you don't want that to slow you down. Similarly, mop buckets and handles should be kept clean. Maintaining commercial cleaning equipment is essential for both the quality of your work and the longevity of your tools. By establishing regular maintenance routines, you ensure a more efficient and hygienic environment for your clients and staff. Regular maintenance will also save you time and money in the long run, as it prevents costly repairs and the need for frequent replacements.